What's up, guys? Today we're playing Survive Waves Flood. I'm recording. So, guys, today we're playing this game, and I buy this jukebox. It's called jukebox? No, I'm recording.
Oh, okay. Be safe.
Oh my God!
Don't die. Or you're
Where are you?
grounded for 1 week. I'm just joking. I'm just gonna dance because I love to dance.
Where's the sound? Music.
Yeah, let's do this. Out of the side.
Quiet.
Okay. I found the perfect spot for us. You wanna see it? In playground. I really have the perfect spot. I hope it's playground camp. That's a new map.
Camp.
Oh, this.
This. I'm
Get
going
up
in here.
I'm getting up here.
My God.
Yeah. Take a shower.
Bridge.
I can just, that will fall. Hey, move! I wanna dance. You ready to dance, brother? Rain and tacos. This might fall, so I'm ready to jump. Oh, yay! How much points you have?
I got 70 points
I have-
and 7 survives.
How much I have? I
You
have
have-
60 points and my win is
6 points. Okay.
my win.
I'm going. Ow!
Hurry! The flood! Oh,
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh my God! Jump! Okay, I'm here.
Ooh, good
I'm safe.
timing, man.
Yay! I'm safe
Hey,
here.
brother.
Hello.
You see
You're
me?
all the way down here, and I'm all the way up here.
Yeah. Because you're taller than me. That's that. Woo! Look at me. I'm so dizzy.
Yum 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 yum. It's like a tree.
Oh!
Is that? Ooh, do you die?
Nope. The other guy.
I never die on this game.
Me too.
I got 80 points because I never
I have
died.
70. Radio tower.
Radio tower.
I like this.
Boost
Get up.
me.
Ah, you could get up,
Ow.
Oh, bacon here. Boost.
Ah! Ooh, ooh.
Jump!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! You're so pro. Yeah.
Now I'm trapped. Good.
Oh my
What?
God! You're half.
I'm half. Woohoo.
You'll be stuck there for 5 months.
I'm resetting.
Okay, bye-bye.
That's the first time that I died.
I have 80 points. You. How much points you have?
Boombox. Boombox. Boom 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 boom.
Okay, here you go. Farm.
Farm.
I like it.
Farm.
I'm farming.
Okay, now let's go in here. Let's go on the top here, Dash.
Yes.
Dash at the top of the roof.
Maybe I'm safe right here.
Here, it's rain tuck.
Maybe
It's
I'm
more than
safe.
safe up here.
Whoa.
Okay, we'll see.
Aw, okay. Where are you?
Up here.
Oh, I'm here.
Okay.
Do I need to get in the chimney because I'm Santa?
Okay.
No!
Oh,
No!
why?
No! You see that bottom right in the tunnel?
Yes, it's a tunnel.
Oh, no!
Oh my
Run!
God! Run!
Don't jump!
Don't jump.
If it's yay!
Yay!
90 points.
90 points.
I'm close to 100. You?
Just one survive and we're 100 points.
Yeah.
100 points.
Woo! Farm, yes. I like the farm.
Guys, we just got home
from school.
from
Over here,
school
brother.
Oh my god, I'm up here. Oh my, no.
Hurry, brother! It's coming!
Woo! I used the head of the bacon hair.
At least he's safe and you're safe.
Ooh, luckily I don't go in there. I hope you
Don't-
survive.
I hope you too, and I will reset so I can get the balloon.
The balloon is like
It's like a gravity coil.
gravity coil.
Because you can jump so high.
You can jump so high. You can when you
I have a glitch,
and-
brother. I have a glitch. So good.
do
Okay,
that thing
reset,
that
reset.
you reset.
Hurry! The time! Hurry! Respond! Oh,
Respond.
Yes!
Respond. Oh my god!
I have my balloon! Bye bye!
Joke lang. Just joke. Joke.
My balloon will save me!
Okay. Now we're getting green balloon.
Oh my god, my green balloon will save
Yay!
me!
Jump. Okay. Jump. Woohoo.
Jump! Woo!
Hey guys, do the thing that you when your feet do the thing that what's this? Pull your feet down and put your feet on the water so it's gone now. Then jump and you will be
Flying.
flying.
I did that glitch. You saw me that? Yeah.
When
it
I
was
do-
a good glitch.
And
Yeah.
when you're higher on the clouds, your balloon will pop
Old
and you will go down.
Yeah.
This is a big
I have
It's a
a
big
re-
school because it's a old school. I'm going inside.
Okay, I'm going up top. I'm just gonna get over here. Right here.
Okay, I'm going in there too.
No!
But the
The water!
it's almost there.
Oh
Excuse
God.
me.
Oh God.
Why?
This might fall. I'll jump right here. Hi, brother. You see me?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna jump into the roof.
Go jump.
Ah, I did it.
You did it. Good for you.
Yeah. I'm genius.
I'm trying to go on the roof. Can I break the glass?
If this break,
using-
I will go to the other one.
Yay! Woo!
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 Whee!
I'm higher than you.
Boom! Bye bye. I'm higher.
Research area.
Oh, now
Oh,
I can
research
break
area.
my feet. Yes.
I can go up here.
Come on, I want to burn my feet so I can fly like
Here.
an eagle.
Dash.
Not here. I want to burn my feet so I can fly. I will show
Fly
you guys.
like
today.
an eagle.
Into Carisi, fly like an eagle.
Okay.
Okay, no. No!
You said you're gonna break your feet, but you break your whole body.
Yeah, I
That's
like
why
it.
you die. Even
Oh.
your brain, your head, and your
That's
heart, and your kidneys, and all your things inside of your body
Sure.
get smashed by the water.
Don't talk. I'm angry. Oh,
Come on!
You and the other guy only survived.
Only
Wow.
me and the bacon hair survive.
I wish
Only
I
5 of
survived.
us. How? 1, 2, 3,
2 of you
4,
survived.
5, 6.
Fortress.
Only 6 of us left in this game.
Fortress. Come on.
Jump! I'm jumping on the roof. I'm in the roof. Brother,
getting up
here at the roof.
Whoop, boom. We started.
There we go.
Look at this parkour, man. Look at this.
Whoa!
That's how we do it. Bye, bacon hair.
Woohoo! Woo! Wow!
No! We bow our heads. I'm just kidding. We bow our heads. That was so funny.
Quick potion.
Come on! Yes, I
Yes.
did it! Brother, you proud of me? I'm getting up. Bye,
No.
brother!
Oh, I thought this was 40 because last year or last year or last year, this is always 40.
Ooh. It was 50 when it was old. It was 50.
Fly like an
Boom.
eagle.
Ready, child.
I buy this boombox
Boom.
when I first got Robux.
Yes! Yes, I can burn my feet right over here. I could just like, whoa, yeah.
First,
I'm just waiting. This guy will die. Come on, Wave! Are you scared? Because I have a balloon.
okay, now burn your feet.
Yes! Now look at this, guys. Bye-bye.
Me too, burn my feet.
No! I cannot fly anymore.
Ah!
No, brother! Why is
My
it so
head.
bad? Oh my god, your head go to the water.
My head got thrown away.
The shark eats your... I wish the gravity call is back.
I'm
because-
trying to break my feet.
Why is the
But
glitch is not
wait a second.
working?
I'm trying to break my feet, but the stairs broke, so I got fell in.
Why
and
is
then I
the glitch
died.
is not working anymore?
Castle.
I'm so sad. I cannot fly. Oh, I'm flying!
Okay.
I'm up here now.
No.
I'm waiting for you in the
I'm
castle.
stuck. Come on up. Okay. I'm full.
Hurry! The wave is coming!
I'm up.
Oh!
I'm up.
Nice.
That's okay.
Look at this. I'm a fly.
I'm flying. Come on.
I'm gonna fly. If this tower go down,
What
I
did you
will-
say? You're fly? So,
No, it's
He's-
not working.
he said I'm fly. I'm fly. Come on.
I'm not bad English. If this
Do your
falls, I will
language
jump
right.
right there. Oh, whee! Do you have the parachute?
No. But
Oh.
I have a balloon.
I have a balloon. One more, I can get the parachute.
How do we learn to
I have 40.
Western? Where is Western? Okay, up here at the what happened? Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna go to the
Oh.
waterfalls. Woo!
I'm here.
All right, we're all right here. Don't jump. You might
Okay.
risk it.
I must.
If this falls, I will go there. Yep. Oh, at least I jumped. At least
I'm trying to go on your
my
stand,
house. Yeah, this is my house.
but I'm on the eagle.
That would.
Oh, I didn't know there's a stairs here. I
will
don't
come.
even know. Can we go in? Oh my god! Oh my!
Oh my!
So close!
I'm dead because I'm gonna get the parachute. Parachute. Give
Do you have
it.
50?
Oh yes, parachute.
I only.
No, get up, ma! No, back in here. Yes, I have the parachute now.
Down.
Look at me, I'm gonna fly.
I'm
Look at me,
here.
brother. Woo! I'm gliding.
Where are you?
I'm gliding. Woo! No!
I'm up here.
No, it's not working.
Come on, jump!
Ooh.
That's gonna broke. I promise.
No!
Whoa! Ouch!
I'm
You
dead.
thought it was going to be safe, but it's not.
Hi, Bacon Hair. We have balloons.
Okay,
What is
let's
this quick
dash.
potion? Yes.
Let's reset.
Why? I'm already resetted.
Let's.
They saved you.
I'm gonna reset. Okay, let's reset. Okay.
Hey,
So,
hurry, hurry.
okay, sorry guys, but we have to end the video here. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe on my channel and please like my videos and please leave a comment down below. And I hope you like my video today. Please enjoy to my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye guys.